where we need to find the area of the rectangle. For finding the area of a rectangle, we can use the formula area equals length times width. I used a cursive L for length so it doesn't look like a 1. Not a huge deal though either way, as long as you know it's an L when you write out the formula. Now all we need to do is plug in the length and width and then multiply. I'm going to use the longer side for the length, so 6 meters, and then 3 meters for the width. So area equals 6 meters times 3 meters. And now we can multiply. 6 times 3 gives us an area of 18 square meters. We measure area in square units, so this is square meters. Before we move on to number 2, let's take a look at why we do length times width and look at a visual of area. We have 6 meters by 3 meters, so let's draw these out, starting with 6 meters. So I'm going to mark each meter here, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. So we have 6 meters there. And now we can do the width. So 3 meters. 1, 2, and 3. You'll notice that we have squares now. These are square units, and specifically for number 1, those are square meters. That just means that each square is 1 meter by 1 meter. And this is a square meter. When we find area, we find how many square units something covers. So for number 1, how many square meters does this rectangle cover? Well, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, which is exactly the same thing we got by doing length times width. So by drawing all of that out, this helps us visualize area and square units, but it's much quicker just to do length times width. Let's move on to number 2, and for this one, we're just going to use the formula. So area equals length times width. So let's plug in the length. We're going to use 19 feet. So 19 feet times the width of 5 feet. So again, I used the longer side for the length. Now for number 2, it's a little different than number 1 because all 4 side lengths are written out. That doesn't mean we need all 4 side lengths. We still just need the length and width. We're not multiplying everything that's written out or given. So something to keep in mind. Now we can multiply. So 19 times 5 gives us an area of 95 square feet. So there you have it. There's how to find the area of a rectangle. Area equals length times width. So that's the formula we can use for rectangles. I hope that helped. Thanks so much for watching. Until next time.